Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to use a green screen and how to apply an overlay on top of your video. So let's get straight to it. So step one is to add your clip. This video will be in the description of the video for free if you guys want to go and download it. Next is to add a clip that you want to show. So I'm going to add a video. Make sure that your green screen is above your video. So I'm just going to add a video of this. I don't know exactly. I'm just going to. There it is. Okay. So here we start. Okay. This step is very simple. All you got to do is go into your effects and search Ultra key. Ultra key. Now after this, you apply it on your green screen clip, as I've done now. See, there it is. But now the next step is to go to your key color and change the color of the key to the green screen. And there you have it. As simple as that. That's how you do it. Now to add your overlay, a VHS overlay, is also quite simple. All you got to do is apply it on top of your clips as well. And then all you got to do is go into your effect control, and then you see blend mode. Blend mode is over here. All you got to do is go into color dodge, or these 5 over here I highly recommend, or you can press overlay, that's also fine. So color dodge, simply that's how it is. Then it should appear, as you can see in the video. There it appears there. And that's basically it. That's all you got to do. I don't know how to end the video, so I'm just going to say bye.